Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing where the CTA should live and why. Pick header, product, or collection pages. Once done, open Shopify admin and go to Online Store Themes Customize. Make sure the live theme is selected. You will need the exact label and destination URL ready, plus a color hex if you want a brand match. This speeds editing and avoids back and forth. Now proceed to the theme editor so you can add the button element directly into the layout. You now edit the specific template. Select Header, Product, or Custom section inside the theme editor. Add a button block or use a rich text block with a button option. Set the label text, link type, and paste the destination URL. Make sure to choose link behavior, same tab or new tab, and configure accessibility text. For styling, set color, size, and alignment so the CTA stands out. Preview on mobile and desktop. Because responsive changes, you finish by saving and publishing the theme changes. Then test the CTA end-to-end on desktop and mobile, verifying the target URL and any tracking parameters. If the button does not appear, inspect visibility settings, check for app conflicts, or look for CSS that hides buttons. Make sure to clear theme and browser caches and reload. If the issue persists, open Browser DevTools to inspect the element and locate the CSS rule or script blocking the button.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.